probably would. So, while we're on about Dusty, shall we play some of his music? Because I don't know if we have yet.
I'll tell you what, we've got an advert first, don't we?
Yeah.
We'll play Dusty after that.
Straight after, we'll have some Dusty Moon, who is a good friend of ours. He resides in the Plastic Scouse place round Cheshire, London, North Wales, Birkenhead, everywhere that is. And
he moves around there.
Yeah, he moves around. Normally, you'll see him behind some sheep quite often.
Yeah.
You have to put up with that, don't you? Imagine if you... It seems to be like, if you've got ginger hair, you're fair game. And if you're from Wales, you're fair game.
Right.
If you were Welsh and had ginger hair, you might as well, stay in.
Yeah.
Right.
Anyway.
Morrissey was very good, by the way.
Was he? Right.
Yeah, he had a proper go at everyone.
Good.
Like he should. He paid tribute to, now see if you can see what, he was having a dig, really, at the dead. A dig at the dead by Morrissey. Now, he said the Grim Reapers, in full force this year. We've lost Victoria Woods.
Yeah.
We've lost Carolina Hearn.
Yeah, shame.
We lost Prince. And
David Bowie.
No, we didn't say him. You spoiled that. He said Muhammad Ali. That's it, by omitting the David Bowie line, who he did do work with at times and gigged with. Obviously, he fell out with him at the end.
Refused, didn't he? Bowie refused to work with him on something, didn't he?
Right.
Yeah, I think that's what's happened, and he's got a monk on. Not like Morrissey to get a monk on, was it?
No.
Hold a grudge.
No.
For 40 years.
No.
Is it?
But by that, he was really good. I would like to play some Morrissey or Smiths, actually. Yeah. He is a local lad. But before that...
We've got this advert, yeah.
Yeah.
It's an appeal, really. It's you might notice I'm sitting rather uneasily.
I have noticed that, Steve. I have noticed.
It's the farmers.
Yeah, it's the
Watch
farmers.
the microphone with your head there, Tony.
Oh, sorry.
I'll just put it back. There you go.
Right.
Yeah, the Farmer Giles.
Yeah.
I've been playing them for years.
Yeah.
I've got an unlikely hero has come to the fore. There's light at the end of the tunnel.
Oh, yeah.
Paul Weller.
Yeah,
he started a pile clinic.
Right, a pile clinic
called Paul Weller's Pile Council.
Right.
It's real, this. It's not made up or anything.
Is it?
And he asked us to do an advert for him.
And you've done it?
We've done it.
Right, okay, yeah, we've done this.
I forgot.
We've done this. So listen to this, and straight after we'll have some music. And it will be West Coast.
It's real, isn't it?
Hello, this is Paul Weller. Now then, my old... What's that say?
It says show business, Paul. That's how we say it in show business.
Right. My old show business muckers, Tony and Steve, are here to talk to you about a problem that's been hanging around my back door for as long as I can remember. My other old mucker, JB Barrington, calls them the grapes of wrath. You know what I'm talking about. Yes, the old Sieg Heils. So clap your lugholes around this and put your hands in your pockets. I'm going for a sit down.
Hello!
We are Tony and Steve from the internationally acclaimed Reet radio show, and we're here in our capacity as celebrity DJs. Stop it. To help out our good friend Paul Weller.
Not many people know, but our old friend Paul Weller has suffered from the old bum grapes for many, many years. What do you think this was all about then? And this? Well, now Paul has decided to throw some of his mountains of cash into a clinic to help fellow sufferers. And it's not even a tax avoidance scheme or anything. Welcome to the Paul Weller's Pile Council.
It's got a ring to it, hasn't it?
Aye.
Based at purpose-built premises in Chalfont, St Giles, the Farmer Jam frontman has gathered together the world's leading experts in Duke of Argyll's in a united front of art-healing science, using preventative and healing techniques from across a broad scientific speculum.
Yes, Steve, Farmer Giles are no laughing matter.
No, Tony, they're not. Your unborn trials are a serious issue.
Yes, Steve, 4-minute miles are no joke.
No, Tony, Canary Isles are not to be poked fun at.
Can you think of any more?
No.
I can't. So if you've got Belinda Carlisle,
like pebbles on a beach,
get your tiny bottom down there.
Treatment begins from as little as $49.99 per quarter of an hour per bunch, and results are more or less probably guaranteed. The Paul Weller Pile Council is also supported by other celebrities.
Such as?
Emma Freud.
By the way, Steve, this isn't Paul Weller in the background.
Yeah, isn't it? Who is it?
It's ELO, mate.
Is it?
Yeah.
The Robin Get?
Geezer.
I'm on a contradiction. A retro kind of vibe.
to go down in musical history. Frankly, Mr. Shankly, I'm a sickening wreck. I've got the 21st century breathing down my neck. I must move fast, you understand me. I want to go down in celluloid history, Mr. Shankly. To fame, it can play hideous tricks on the brain, but still I'd rather be famous than righteous or holy. Any day, any day, any day. But sometimes I feel more fulfilled making Christmas cards with the mentally ill. I want to live and I want to love. Catch something that I might be ashamed of. Frankly, Mr. Shankly, this position I've held, it pays my way and it corrodes my soul. Oh, I didn't realise that you wrote poetry. I didn't realise you wrote such bloody awful poetry, Mr. Shankly. Frankly, Mr. Shankly, since you you are a flatulent pain in the ass. I do not mean to be so rude. Still I must speak frankly, Mr. Shankly. Oh, give us money.
Give us money, indeed.
Give us your money.
Yes.
It's a cracking song, is that?
I had a Morrissey gig the other night. It was great. Morrissey was always he's on fine form. And when we got there, just walking in, we heard the first song start up. Now we managed to get, and it took us a while because Trisha's didn't like these stairs, that's for sure. It took us ages, they're dead steep, them stairs. So we got to near the bottom where our seats were. We got in, there's two blokes, found the block, found the seats, two blokes in our seats. But there was two seats next to them empty as well, so I thought, I'm not going to make a fuss. Morrissey's on, let's just sit down and stand up actually, and just carry on. But then the people who wanted our seats, they turned up and asked us to move. So then I had to turn around to these two big lunkheads who were drunk. Sorry, lads, gonna have to move. Then one of them got a bit aggressive.
Oh,
was like, no, you're in the wrong place, mate. And so I went, I thought, okay, maybe I am. Maybe I made that. So me and me missus got back out into the aisle. It's on the stairs. And I noticed, no, I'm right. And they were in our block, in our seat. So I went back to them and I said, look, lads, you're in the wrong place. No, we're not. It spoiled.
It would do.
Like a full song at least. And then the next two, because I had these horrible visions in my head of what I might have had to do if it had kicked off.
If you'd
basically.
If you'd paid for tickets.
And if I'd have paid for the tickets.
It'd even worse, wouldn't it?
I can't believe what would have happened. It would have been upsetting for not just me. I'd have took about 25,000 people out with me.
Taking 3 rows out.
Yeah, easy.
We had actually,
all I'm saying is, like, to them two blokes who tried robbing someone's seats, and well, their seats were probably better. You're a pair of cunts. That's all I want to say.
Drop the C-bomb.
Yeah.
We had an interesting event. A gig. Randolph's When Red Lights played.
Yeah.
Last weekend in Cumbria.
Yeah.
In Felfoot Wood.
Cumbria.
Run by Barry of the Black Wood.
I like him.
Who we came to know as Backdoor Barry by the end of the night. And
I wonder why.
It was a good gig. We played with two what do they call them, dark underground metal bands.
Yeah.
And they were both very good actually.
Were they?
What they did. The last band, Headless Cross, who I was taking the mick out of last week.
Yeah.
They played one song for like 45 minutes. But
Really?
It was very good.
Was
It
it?
was really good, yeah. They knew what they were doing, those lads.
Right, so how does one song for 45 minutes keep you
They've
entertained?
just played a whole set, but it did vary. It wasn't the same chord.
So they did have songs within it. And
songs within songs, yeah. But
they
they
didn't
just
stop.
played it as a continuous stream.
Right.
Very impressive indeed. I
Right.
actually remember
So you're